guys, guess what? I'm taking you with me. Obi and I have a couple running arounds to do, and we're gonna stop somewhere special. Just wait till you see where we're going. I got you, come on. Obi knows exactly where we are. Look at him. You excited, Obi? Yeah? Okay, hang on. All right, so I stopped to get my very first pumpkin spice of the season. And I got the pumpkin foam cold brew. Yep, this is good stuff. But little Brad over here, every time we go into Starbucks, he knows we're there, and he wants a puppuccino. Oh, I'm sweating from going in there. And his little bud wasn't happy. They were out of whipped cream today, so there was no puppuccino for him today. And he let them know he was not happy. So I asked her, I said, can I get a water for him? She gave me a small cup of water. You know, small cup. I put that for him. He sniffed it. Turned his head and looked back at her like, He wants a puppuccino. He doesn't want water. So I had to give him a biscuit to make up for not getting the puppuccino. I told him maybe we might have to stop at another one on the way home and see if they have some puppuccino. And I would just have to get me a pumpkin spice frappuccino. That sounds really good. I might have to do that. I don't know. We'll see. But right now we're just going out to Davenport. I gotta stop at Best Buy. My camera broke and I need to take it in and see if I can get it fixed. So I've been filming off of my phone. It's why the sound, stuff like that. I mean, it's been pretty good, but it's not my camera. I can hold my camera a little bit more steadier than I can the phone. The phone moves all around, so. But I'll go get that, see if they can fix it there. I tried calling. They said they would call me back in 11 minutes when it was my turn. It's been an hour now and I haven't heard back from them. But that was the second time I called. The first time I called, they wouldn't send me to anybody because I had a small item that needed to be repaired. Yeah, camera. You know, like if it's headphones or microphones, please contact the manufacturer. No, this is not one of them. So fine, I'll just drive there. Since I couldn't speak to anybody, I'll just go there. And that crumble cookies might be open now. Have to check that one out. All right, change of plans. I did not go out to Davenport. Why? I'm just gonna go that way tomorrow. So I figure I might as well just go tomorrow. So I just went to Walmart and picked up a few groceries. Obi and I went, and tomorrow I will be going there and to the outlet. I'm excited. Are you? You should be. Real quick, before we go. All right, there he is having his puppuccino. Mama made one for him at home since they were out of it at Starbucks. Is it good, Obi, is it good? You're gonna share that with anybody? Can I have some? Can I have some? Oh, I got some on my finger. He don't care. He's like, leave me alone, Mom. Since this video is just my day thing, I just want to let you guys know we have some very exciting things happening with the channel. we're kind of growing and we're getting into places, and I'm just like so excited to tell you guys, but I can't tell you yet. I gotta wait. So the only thing I can do is let you know that we've got some good information coming up soon. So make sure you are subscribed, hit that button, you know, all that good stuff. So when we do make the announcement, you can be one of the first ones to know. If you want to be the first one to know, you can join our Patreon account, and you will be notified prior to the big announcement on what it is. I will personally send you a message and let you know what the big information is. And you can join that as low as $5 a month. You just pledge it. Every once in a while you receive a letter, a gift from Yammi, or you get notified first on anything exciting. There's a lot of different things that's going to happen once we start building up our Patreon account. We have a new sponsor, and I can't wait to tell you about the new sponsor, but that's going to come to in a big, maybe live. Maybe I'll announce all this stuff in a live. I will be doing a live hopefully next week. So, yeah, you see I colored my hair. I no longer have grays. I am now a redhead. I hadn't had my hair colored since it grew out from when the last time it got messed up and shaved off. Long story on that one. We won't get into that. But, so I just got a haircut the other day, and then I colored my hair yesterday. I asked the guy, I said, he did it, I said, does my hair look healthy enough for color? Because I've been afraid to since I lost so much hair. And he could see new growth coming in. I've got new growth all over the place coming in. I mean, that's all new growth. I lost all that hair from my illness, from the EPI, before they found out what I had. EPI is where my pancreas does not produce enough enzymes to absorb the food and nutrition. So I was actually, even though I was eating, I was starving myself to death. And it comes out in a form, it comes out, you end up with, sorry, this is gross, but you end up with diarrhea. And for 2 years, I had it. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. Well, maybe a year and a half. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. And then finally, I wouldn't give up. And I went to another doctor. And she did some tests. And boom, she put me on these new enzyme pills. So I have to take them every time I eat. And that helps me to absorb the food. But because of that, now that I'm taking it, I'm putting on weight. I can see it in my face. I'm getting pudgy. So I have to really watch what I eat more. And all this baking I do, and I love to do, I eat it. That's why I'm pudging out. Duh. So I guess now I have to bake for other people and not for me. Maybe that's what I should do. Donna, it's coming your way. I have a special item that was sent to me, and I'm going to do an unboxing of that. I'm trying to think of everything else that I'm doing. As you know, I'm doing the holiday, or not the holidays, but the National Day of, or the World Coconut Day is today, which the 2nd. You'll get this tomorrow. So I've been trying to do those. Not all of them are going to be food, but a lot of them are food. Things I can make and things I can eat. I gotta stop. And speaking of eating, it's almost dinner time. So just wanted to touch base with you guys, let you know what's going on, what we're doing, and you're going to start seeing a lot more videos. Even if it's just a little boring video like I did today, where I absolutely did nothing. But I did something. That makes sense. I know. I'm going Looney Tune. I'm a little loco. What can I say? Hi guys. What?
Nothing. I'm just saying you will start talking when this is my favorite part of my song that I like.
You guys are welcome for that. I know you were saying, thank you, Yammi. Thank you for spying on Boo.
Yeah. I can't even get my jam on.
He's like, oh, this is my favorite part. This is my favorite part. You would try to record during my favorite part. Yep. So I turned it off, but when he wasn't looking, I turned it back on. You're welcome. Now you know why I love him. But we decided that it's Friday night. We're going to go for pizza. So we're going out to Auburndale to this place called Pizza Connections. We went there when we first moved here because we lived really close to it, and it was good. And it's been a long time since we've had it. I'd say it's probably been before the pandemic happened, so prior to 2020, probably been 2018, probably the last time we were there. So hopefully it's still good like it was. I know they make their own ranch there, and the ranch is really good. And that you can get a side of it to go with your pizza to dip your crust in. Yum, yum, yum. So we're taking you guys along to check it out. Voiceover. Is it good?
It's hot.
Give a thumbs up if it's good.
This is pineapple or Hawaiian pizza. It's the first time, so I'm trying to get used to that.
Okay.
But
What'd
yeah,
you
it's
do?
good.
It's not bad, is it, with the pineapple on it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay. All right. You take your pizza. Dip it into the ranch. That makes the pizza, I'm telling you. Boo got an all-meat pizza. I tried the sausage, it's not too hot, but the pepperoni I'd have to pick off still. I might try a piece of his still. He tried the pineapple, which I was proud of him for trying. Alright, so the pizza, the crust is very thin, but it's very crispy.
Yeah, it's very thin. That's why you can eat all of it, because it's so thin.
Yeah.
And you know what? I don't really care for the thick pizzas like these, or the thick crust.
Yeah.
So it's good.
A bit loud in here, but it's good.
Huh?
I said it's a bit loud in here,
Oh, yeah.
but it's good.
Yeah.
If you haven't already watched the video from our anniversary weekend getaway, you might want to watch it, especially if you like the warehouse. Hint, 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 hint. So go check that video out. And also, while you're at it, make sure you're subscribed, ring that bell, and give me a thumbs up, comment. And as always, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. Mwah.